For sample problem number 6, during an observation, the discharge flowing into a channel is 600 liters per second. After conducting an actual measurement, they found out that there is a 10% shortage error in the measured head in the channel. Now, determine the percentage difference in discharge. If, for A, the channel is 4 meter long suppressed weir, for B, 4.5 meter long Sepuleti weir, and then 90-degree V-notch weir, and then last, 4.5 meter long contracted both ends rectangular weir is used. So, bali dito, yung binigay na 600 liters per second, so that's our discharge. Now, since it's given na naka-liter per second, so first, kailangan mo natin siya i-convert into cubic meter per second. So, RQ, this is equal to 600 liter per second. If you convert it, it is just equal to 0.6 cubic meter per second. Now, etong discharge na to, yan yung actual value. Kasi sabi dyan, during an observation. Now, aside from this Q being the actual value, so, syempre pag meron kang Q, masusukat mo rin ano yung actual head causing the flow. So, based dito sa problem, meron daw 10% shortage dun sa na-measure na head of the channel. Ibig sabihin, considering this discharge, lahat ng H niya bitin ng 10%. Now, tinatanong yung bitin na 10% na yon, ilan percent naman yung difference ng actual or yung totoong discharge talaga. Since basically, short yung na-measure na head causing the flow. So, for part A, kapag siya naman ay suppressed weir. So, pag sinabing suppressed weir, this is a rectangular weir. And, since wala naman binigay na coefficient of discharge for part A, we need to assume na this is using the Francis formula. So, for part A, ang Q natin, this is equal to 1.84 LH raised to 3/2. So, hindi na natin i-consider yung ating velocity approach, no? Since wala rin namang binigay na dimensions for the upstream depth or even crest height. So, ito yung formula na CWLH raised to 3/2 ng rectangular weir. So, gumamit lang tayo ng Francis formula, CW is equals to 1.84 since wala namang naka-indicate na value ng coefficient of discharge. Now, this is equal doon sa actual na na-measure na 0.6 cubic meter per second. So, binigay naman na yung length is 4 meter, no? So, we need to compute for the H na na-measure nila. So, 1.84, yung na lang sulat yung 0.6 na discharge. 1.84 times 4 times H raised to 3/2. So, from this, yung H is equal to 0.188 meters. So, sabi sa problem, ito yung measured head niya, which is short ng 10%. Ibig sabihin, ito yung H na merong error. Lagyan ko na lang H error, which is 10% shorter. Now, ang gagawin natin, since tinatanong yung actual difference in discharge, kailangan mong makuha ano yung actual din na H dapat. Since etong 0.88 is bitin ng 10%, so kailangan mong kunin ano yung totoo talagang H niya without the error. So, for our formula, to get for the H actual, so since 10% short siya, ang ating actual is basically, pwede natin express, so 90% ng actual, ito ay equal doon sa H na merong error. Ulitin natin 'no. So etong 0.188 meters, yan na yung measured head na bitin ng 10%. Ibig sabihin, nabawas na yung 10% diyan. So in order to get the true or the actual na head causing the flow, so puwede nating express na etong 0.188 is 90% lang yan noong totoong value talaga ng H. So kaya nilagay natin dito, si H error equal lang siya dun sa 90% ng totoong value ng H talaga. Okay? So si 90%, so we can write it as 0.9 HA. So this is equal doon kay 0.188 meters. Therefore, we can get the value ng H actual to be 0.209 meters. Now you can verify din naman no na pag binawasan niyo ng 10% etong si HA, so eto dapat yung lalabas, 0.188. Okay? So ito yung actual. Now we need to compare ano yung difference or ilang percent ang difference netong H na 'to. Siyempre etong H na yan magpo-produce yan ng actual na discharge. So ito, basically yan ay discharge na merong error din, yung ating 0.6. Now to get for the true or the actual discharge, you'll be using the same formula, 1.84 LH raised to 3 half, pero we'll be using the H na actual. So eto, pangalanan ko na lang QE or yung Q na merong error. So for the Q actual, you have 1.84 times 4 times 0.209 raised to 3 halves. So our Q actual is equal to 0.703 cubic meter per second. Now, take note sa problemang sabi, yung head ang merong shortage na 10%. So, hindi siya directly mag-mean na dapat yung Q error is 90% din nung Q actual. So, basically, magbe-base tayo dun kay ano no, H. Hindi directly, ibig sabihin na si Q error or yung discharge na merong error is also 90% nung actual na discharge natin. Okay? So, meron na tayong Q na actual to compute for the percent difference. So, ang gamitin na lang nating formula for the percent difference. This is equal to Q actual or unahin natin Q actual minus yung Q na merong error divided by the Q na may error times 100. No, sorry, this is the Q actual. Kasi express natin yung actual, basically the difference versus the original value. Okay? So, the percent difference, 0.703 minus 0.6 over 0.703 times 100. So, ang percent difference is equal to 14.651%. So, that's our answer for part A. Okay. So, for the succeeding part, for part B, C, and D, so we'll be using the same process in solving the percent difference in discharge. So, ang mapapalitan lang is kung anong formula ng Q ang gagamitin natin. Okay? For part B, so si Pilete is 1.859 ang gagamitin natin for the Q. Okay? So, for part B, ang magiging Q na may error lang natin, this is 1.859 LH raised to 3/2. So this is still 0.6. So yung this Q na merong error, 1.859. Ang L natin ay 4.5. 4.5 and then H raised to 3/2. So, ang makukumpit natin dyan is yung H na merong error. So, ang H natin equal siya to 0.173 meters. Okay? And to get for the actual na H, so 0.9 na head actual equal siya kay head error na 0.173. So, for the actual head, this is 0.192 meters. Okay? Then compute for the actual or the true discharge. So 1.859 times 4.5 times 0.192 raised to 3/2. So ang Q actual natin ay 0.704 cubic meter per second. So for the percent difference, this is 0.704 minus 0.6 divided by 0.704 times 100. So, medyo dikit lang siya nung sagot natin kay part A, no? So, this is around 14.773%. Okay? That's our answer for part B. For part C naman, the same process but different shape. So, ito naman ay 90-degree V-notch weir. So, for 90-degree na triangular weir, ang formula natin ng Q na may error, that's 1.4 H raised to 5/2. So, 0.6 equal to 1.4 H raised to 5/2. So, ang H natin na merong error we have 0.71 P. 713 meters. To take note, ito yung merong error, no? Lagyan ko din dito. Ito is with error. Same with this one. With 10% na error. Okay? We compute for the actual head, 0.9 HA is equal to 0.713. So, our actual head we have 0.792 meters. Okay, then compute for the actual discharge, 1.4 times 0.792 raised to 5. And we have 0.781 or 782 cubic meter per second. Then lastly, for the percent difference, so the actual discharge minus the discharge with error divided by the actual discharge times 100. And this is equal to 23.274%. That's the percent difference in discharge kay triangular weir. So lastly, so contracted naman na rectangular, so 4.5 ang length at merong dalawang contraction. So again, hindi binanggit anong formula or anong value ng CD. So we'll be using Francis formula. So for part D, ang formula natin for the Q error, 1.84. So ilalagay ko na dito is L prime, no? Since contracted siya. H raised to 3/2. So na lang muna natin compute yung ating L prime. So for the L prime, so ang L niya is 4.5. So this is L minus, so 2n contraction, 0.2h. So 4.5 minus 0.2h. So this is the L prime. For the Q na merong error, this is equal to 1.84 times 4.5 minus 0.2h times h raised to 3/2. To equate natin, this is equal to 0.6. Okay, computing for the value ng h with error. We have 0.175 meters. Okay? So 0.9 ng head actual equal siya kay 0.175 na merong error. So for our actual head, we have 0.194. 194 meters. Then compute for the Q actual, 1.84, quantity 4.5 minus 0.2 ni 0.194 times 0.194 raised to 3/2. So our Q actual is 0.701 cubic meter per second. Dito lang si percent difference. So for the percent difference, we have the actual 0.701 minus the discharge with error divided by actual times 100. So for the percent difference, we have 14.408%. Okay? And that's our answer for this.